All right, another trade review. Here we go on gold. We took a short this morning, marked out support and resistance on the 15 minute. As you can see, where price initially had a big push from. On the higher time frame, I was thinking we'd possibly get some buys, as at the time being, the 1 hour had a big candle here, but before it closed, the 15 minute and the 5 minute looked more like a sweep, especially here on the 5 minute. I was hoping to see a close above retest, and I was looking long, but once it kind of failed to close above, got a 5 minute doji, and then a 5 minute candle here showing a evening star, I believe it's called, at the top, reversal. It was showing me that it was definitely coming bearish, and gold has been very bearish lately, as the 4 hour is very, very bearish, especially after yesterday's huge candle down. It's just making lower low, lower high, lower low. Might get a lower high and maybe a push down. Maybe it was just filling this gap. We will see. It is Thursday, US bank holiday tomorrow, so we're done for the week. More about why I took this trade. Down here, the 1 minute, as it did on the 5 minute, has the same sort of pattern, simulating a reversal. It then failed to make a new high, giving another doji, another down candle. And then, because I wasn't too sure, I waited for the 5 minute to close, and that happened after this candle here. Once I received these three down candles, lower low, lower high, lower low, although it's internal structure, I was pretty confident in shorts, as it was a pretty nice trade. 1 to 3, targeting these lows over here. It was like a double bottom, as you saw earlier. This is the 5 minute, looked pretty much the same on the 15 minute as well. Nice wick underneath, reaction, and then continued to trend lower. Also, in this 15 minutes of candles, the 15 minute had a huge wick above this high, and then gave a doji itself, and all of those things led towards a short, and it was a nice, pretty quick. It was done before like 10:10 today. Yeah, clean trade, no drawdown. Love to see it, stress free. When we got to this area, it kind of looked like it was going to reverse again, as it kind of wicked this low as well. So I moved to break even. A little bit of luck, a little bit of market knowledge. It stayed down. I'm honestly surprised it didn't break even me, but it just made sense with the way the candles were forming and the trend of the overall higher time frame market to go short. Great trade, pretty good momentum, pretty solid candles all throughout. And yeah, 1 to 3 to close off the week. I did lose Monday, I won on Tuesday, and I broke even yesterday in a trade that actually would have played out. Be all in all, good week. 4 trades this week. Won't be trading tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see what next week brings us.